All right, welcome back. Now that you have Sublime Text all installed and ready to go, David and I are going to show you where you can actually write and execute your SQL to extract the data that you can then analyze.
Yes.
So in the past, this process was actually the hardest part of this course, and it was just overly complicated and technical. David and I have created a tool in the form of a website, SQLsnack.com, that you can simply create an account, and then you'll immediately have access to the database and be able to start querying. So David's going to walk you through the account creation and sign-in process.
Yes. All right, so I'm going to walk you through this simple sign-up process just like any other website. But just to be super clear, let's go through it step by step. So when you come to SQLsnack.com, you come into this login page. But since it's your first time, you don't have a login account. So you need to click this sign-up link here. Click that. Then put in your email address. I'm just going to put mine here. And then put in your password that you want, that you'll remember. Click sign up. Now that your account has been created. And use that same email address and super secret password to sign in again. Once you've done that, you'll be in our tool, and you can just go to this. The first thing you want to do is come to this little drop down on the left, and then for our course, click on MySQL_RO. That will load up the Sequila database. That's the main database that we're going to be working with in this course, and you can see all the different tables that are in here. There's actors, and we're talking about films and stuff like that. One quick tip. In the past, when we created this course, we had our users, our students, install their own client and on their own local computer, and they had to do some crazy stuff. And it looks different than what you're seeing here because this is a website that we've built. And one thing in the other tool that you could do is just kind of click on this thing and see a preview of all the data that's contained in this table. You can't do that with this tool, but there's a very simple and handy-dandy SQL query that you'll use oftentimes. Called select star, and you type in select star from, and you type in a table name like actor here, add a semicolon to close that query out, and then select run, and that'll show you all the rows in that table. So here, this is the data that's in this actor table. So you see there's actor ID here, first name here, last name, last update time. So all that information is there. If the table is really big, another quick tip that you can do is just limit it. So now we're pulling all the rows. See, there's 200 rows in this table. You can do limit 10, and when you do that, it'll just show you the first 10 rows to get a quick sample of what does this table look like? What kind of data is inside here, et cetera, et cetera. So that's a quick tip. That's all you need to know. Now you can jump into the next lecture and get SQLing. I don't know if that's a word, but
See you there.
See ya.